Is your food packaging strong enough for real-world challenges? In this video, we take you inside the core laboratory and final inspection station at Yingzhicai Packaging. You'll see professional equipment like gas chromatograph and friction tester, puncture device, tensile tester, imaging spectral high temperature and high pressure, steam sterilizer, and more. In our professional lab, we go far beyond the production line. We simulate real-world conditions to push materials to their limits and learn how we conduct rigorous tests for seal strength, burst resistance, pressure testing, drop testing, and leak integrity testing, all adhering to ISO, BRC, and the latest GB standards. We verify that all raw materials, including films and inks, meet global food-grade standards, providing you with documented safety. Want to see the data and reports behind our quality claims? Contact us to learn how our scientific approach to packaging can safeguard your products.